This is the lasagna that is being heated already. The meaty lasagna. What is up, mga Repa Peeps? Do you want to eat lasagna? A meaty lasagna without breaking the bank? We found one in Costco and the cost is only $18 per kilogram. So we bought this meaty lasagna, ready to eat lasagna in Costco. The weight is more than 1 kilogram. That is why it's around $18 plus. So you don't have to go to a fancy restaurant or to a food shop just to eat a meaty lasagna. To be honest, this is our first time to try and taste this meaty lasagna in Costco, because we've just heard that it is so delicious and it is so worth it. So imagine a kilo of lasagna that is only worth $18. You just have to eat that in your house, and then you'll enjoy that in your house without breaking the bank. So after eating, you'll be relaxed, and then the container itself, so since it's 1 kilogram, I think that would be for sure, I'm very sure it is going to be good for more than 2. So it's only me and Kay who's going to eat that. So there will still be more left. But if you're a family of 3 or 4, or if you have friends to bring over at your house, then that would be enough for maybe around 4 or 5 people. So just for $18, wow, meaty lasagna, it doesn't break your bank. It's really worth it. So that is one of the tips that I could give you on living a frugal life and spending less on a lavish lifestyle. So this is the meaty lasagna that I was talking about, and sorry, it's only $10.49 per kilogram. That's why we bought it for $18.65 only. So it's lesser. And imagine that it's just so cheap for a meaty lasagna. So this is the lasagna that I was talking about. So see, it's so huge. See how thick it is. And imagine it's like only, how much was that per kilo again? It's $10.49 per kilogram. Oh, smells so good. And it's full of cheese. Alright, so this is the lasagna that is being heated already. The meaty lasagna at Costco. Again, it's just like $10 only per kilogram. So this is one of the ways you are going to save from if you want to eat delicious food. It's hot. Yeah, it's really meaty. And yes, it is true. The comments that they made about this lasagna is really true. So it's really meaty. So it's a meaty lasagna. Oh wow. Oh, we're going to look at the lasagna itself. It has a lot of meat. It has a lot of ground meat. Well, I'm assuming it's ground pork. In fairness, it has a lot of meat. Oh wow, so good. Costco for the win.